Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. In the last video, we installed the badge and the roof spoiler. Today, we're going to be installing a MUGEN power banner on the windshield. It's going to look really good, and I'm actually excited to see what it looks like. Honda steering wheel cover, you can see right there. So we're going to clean off the windshield. I am going to wipe it down, and I'm going to use some alcohol as well. Make sure that is super clean because we want this to fit perfect and to look great. Okay guys, so we are done. It came out amazing, and not even mad that it doesn't contour and follow the roof line because it just looks so good. So obviously it does have the it has the MUGEN colors in the middle. It looks so good, guys. So I am actually really happy with how it came out, and I have to say, guys, the Civic is looking better and better, and I'm actually, I'm really happy. I am really happy with how this came out. The car is looking great, guys. So we're done. We have the new banner, MUGEN Power Banner. Just to let you guys know what I did clean the windshield with alcohol. I did also wipe it down to get any debris off of it. I did also fold the banner from corner to corner, and then I pinched the paper, not the actual banner, but the paper to where the center would be. From there, I used the mirror as a center, and then I basically just measured how far I would go down with the paper on the banner. Made sure to measure that. Also, once it was centered and measured down on the sides perfect, then I did put a piece of paper at the very center and bottom just so I could line it up, because you do have to use the vinyl card applicator to press it on, because this is pressure activated. And I did start from the center, moving my way out on both sides, and as you can see, there's no bubbles. Usually you get some small bubbles. There are no bubbles on this thing. It is immaculate. It looks great, guys. So super happy with this. I think it came out amazing. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this project. But so far, guys, super happy. The 7th gen Civic is looking great. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. see you guys on the next video.